Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus train your brain. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to this application of focus and you will enter. In this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and